Shortcut keys in Silhouette Studio. Step 1. Silhouette Studio has built-in keyboard shortcuts to make designing more efficient. Step 2. You will find the shortcut commands in the top menu bar as you go through each panel. Step 3. You will also find a full list of Silhouette Studio shortcuts in the Silhouette Handbook. Step 4. You can also go to the official Silhouette Studio website, search keyboard shortcuts, and open the first link to access the studio shortcuts. Step 5. To save a document, hold the Ctrl key while pressing S and the Save As prompt will pop up. Step 6. To copy a selected object, press the Ctrl and the C keys together. Step 7. To cut a selected object, press the Ctrl and the X keys together. Step 8. To copy or paste a cut object, press the Ctrl and V keys together. Step 9. Hold the spacebar while dragging on the screen with the mouse to move the document around. Step 10. To zoom in and zoom out, hold the Alt key while scrolling the mouse. Step 11. Press the Ctrl+1 keys to fit the screen to the window. Step 12. Press the Ctrl and the keys to select all the objects on the screen. Step 13. Press V on the keyboard to bring back the arrow selection tool no matter what other tool you were using previously. Step 14. Press the letter T on the keyboard to open the text. Step 15. To open the eyedropper tool, press the letter I. Step 16. Use the eyedropper tool to transfer properties from one object to the selected object. Step 17. Press the Ctrl and G keys to group an object. Step 18. To ungroup, press the Ctrl+Shift+G keys together. Step 19. To make a compound path, press the Ctrl and E keys together. Step 20. To release a compound path, press the Ctrl+Shift+E keys together. Step 21. To bring an object forward, press Ctrl and the right bracket. Step 22. To send backward, press Ctrl and left bracket. Step 23. To bring the object to the front, press Ctrl+Shift+right bracket. Step 24. To send to back, press Ctrl+Shift+left bracket. Step 25. To duplicate an object left, right, above, and below, press Ctrl and the keyboard arrow keys. Step 26. To fill the page with one object, press Ctrl+Shift+F keys together. Step 27. Press the G key to show grid. Step 28. Press the O key to access the center of rotation tool. Step 29. To turn on registration marks, press the M key. Step 30. To bring up edit points, double-click the object. Step 31. To draw shapes, click E for ellipse, then double-click the mat and drag it out. Press R to create rectangle, press Shift+R for a rounded rectangle, and Shift-P for polygon. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com, or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.